Hi Drastic Cuties, Widening here. Today we're going to draw 3 friends enjoying the snowfall. So let's get started. To draw this sweet winter drawing, let's first start by drawing a curve. So I'm going to come right here, and this is going to be the center character, and I'm just going to try to draw my usual dumpling shape. So I'm just going to come with a curve right here, and then I'm going to widen it out. So the difference between this and my usual character drawings is that every one of these characters is looking up. So everything is going to be a little bit more ovalish and flatter. So that is the goal. So I have this little curve right here, a little bit wider at the bottom. And then from about right there, I'm going to come in and say about right here, I'm just going to give a little wobble for the scarf and then connect. So let's work on this center character first. So this one I'm making it a cat, and so I'm going to come right here and I'm just going to wobble a scarf in here. Come down here first, and I'm just going to continue my scarf and connect right here, and then the body, so it just comes out right here, and I'm just going to leave everything open for now until I figure out how everything else is going to be to make it a straight line at the bottom. Okay, so now that I have this little head in, let's like I said, I was going to make this one a cat. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm going to pop in some ears and here as well, so nice and center. So like I said, because the cat's looking up, everything here at the top is going to be at perspective, so it's a little bit flatter. And then from there, we're going to put a nose nice and high up here, about right here. We're going to put in a little nose for our cat. And then the mouth right here in the center. And then the eyes right here. So a little bit more ovalish. And here as well. So I get a little highlight. And shade everything else in. There. Hopefully that kind of looks like a cat. And I'll put some stripes here so we make it look more like a cat. And then you can put in some, let's see, you can put in some stripes here as well. And we could even put in some whiskers, right? I'll put in some whiskers. Let me put it over here. Okay, so now we definitely know we have a cat right here. And so the next friend that we want to put, I'll draw it on this side right here. That'd be nice to put a little polar bear. So it's the same idea. We're going to make this one a little bit taller. So we'll just imagine a big dumpling. So I'll say about right here, I'm just going to start. Bring this shape right here. And once again, just like the cat, I'm going to come up here and wobble a little bit for a scarf and then in. And once again, just like the cat, and then about right here, I'm going to wobble a little bit and bring it in. And then the body right here. Okay, so now to make this one a polar bear or a bear, it's all up to you, or you can make it any other animal that you want. I'm going to come about, let's see here, I'm going to come right here, so nice and center about in this area. I'm going to give it a little big polar bear nose. Shade that in and give it a little highlight. And then the mouth, just like the cat. Right there, and then the eyes. So a little bit more ovalish. And same thing here. There. And let's put in some ears, so say about right here. And here. So when you're coloring it, just leave it white so we know it's a polar bear. Or if you want it to be a brown bear, just color it brown. Okay, so then on this side, that'd be cute to make draw a dog. So same exact thing. I'm going to come about right here and draw another big oval and come over this way, wobble and in. So once again, scarf. So this drawing was inspired by a drawing that I saw of 3 snowmen. They're so cute. 3 snowmen looking up at the snow, the newly falling snow. And I just love that drawing so much. And I thought it would be cute too if I could just change it up a little bit and put in some animals. So hopefully you love this one just as much as the original. Okay, so now once again I have this shape in and I'm going to make this one a dog. So once again I'm going to come to the center, get a big dog nose, shade it in right here, a little highlight, and once again the same thing with the mouth and the eyes. So remember, cuties, you can change up whatever animal you want. And so I thought to make it look like a dog, let's come over here. Just gonna put in these floppy ears. There, so hopefully that looks like a nose, and then when we color it, maybe I'll just put in like a patch right there. Okay, so that is pretty much it for our drawing. So hopefully that wasn't too difficult and made it simple for you to follow along. So now that we have this pretty much in, I'm going to come to the bottom right here. So I'll say about right here. And just going to go ahead and try to draw a straight line across so I can frame this up. And about right here. So definitely get a ruler if you need to. And I'm just going to finish everything in here. Oops. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and frame it at the top. So I'll just say about right here. Nice and high because we want snow falling, right? That's the whole point. So I'm going to go ahead and look at my camera and try my best to draw a straight line down. But like I said, definitely get a ruler if you need one. So about right here, I'm going to go across. To about right there. Okay, and then I'm going to go straight down again. There, created my wobbly box, wobbly frame. Okay, so then now that it's all framed up, then you can, when you're coloring, you can just color this part like a blue and then put in these white dots. But I just wanted to show you, since I'm not coloring it, but just drawing it for you. Just come in here and draw all the snow that's falling. The first snow of the winter. Enjoying it with your friends or your family, right? I really hope you love this drawing. I just thought it was just so sweet and cozy. And that is pretty much it. Oh, and I forgot. So let's add a heart right here for each one of my little friends right here. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this drawing and that inspires you to draw it for this winter, and that I've made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.